Track 22.
Well, I live in a small town in the north of my country. It has quite a few interesting places to visit. For example, in the center of town, on the north side of the square, we have the historic town hall, which was built in 1895. In front of it, there's a beautiful fountain. Opposite the town hall, there's the library. Then, if you go over the bridge, we have the art gallery, a big, modern building, which often has interesting exhibitions. The art gallery is actually between the cinema to the north and a big shopping mall, where I often meet up with my friends. To the south of the town, there's a harbor, where you can take a boat to the islands. And then next to the harbor is the stadium, where people go to watch our local football team. And just behind it is the public swimming pool. It's an outdoor pool, lovely in summer, but very chilly the rest of the year.
Track 23. 1.
Where were you born?
I was born in Dubai, in the Middle East. It's situated on the northeast coast of the United Arab Emirates.
2.
Where did you grow up?
I was born in a small village in China, but I grew up in Chengdu, which is a very big city in southwest China.
3.
Has your hometown changed much since you were a child?
In the last 10 years, Baku has changed a lot. 10 years ago, we didn't have so many tall buildings, and there wasn't as much to do then. The biggest problem is that everything is more expensive now.
4.
Is there anything that you used to do in your hometown that you don't do now?
Well, I used to go to the beach every summer when I was younger, but now I don't have time. One summer, I even went fishing. I'd like to do that again. Perhaps I'll have time next summer, after my exams.
Track 24. 1.
Our family bought an apartment in the middle of town.
2.
The statue was built in 1985.
3.
Our town is situated on the Yangtze River.
4.
The shopping mall is called the Galleria.
5.
The library is located across from the swimming pool.
6.
Many things have changed over the years in my hometown.
7.
A number of new apartments were developed by the harbour.
8.
The bridge was designed by a famous architect from London.
9.
Recently, scientists discovered a large cave near our village.
10.
Recently, many young people have started to leave my hometown to look for work.
11.
A long time ago, many people used to work in factories in my town.
12.
A tourist who visited recently said our town is a great place to visit.
Track 25. Speaker 1.
In my city, there are a lot of things that people can do to enjoy themselves. I personally enjoy visiting the many parks we have, but only in summer when the weather is fine. In winter, people like to visit the cinema, or sometimes it's possible to go ice skating on the lake.
Speaker 2.
Well, I'm really keen on sport, especially swimming. I live in quite a small town, so we only have one swimming pool, and I spend as much time as I can there, when I'm not studying, of course.
Speaker 3.
Most of the city is pretty modern, but there's an ancient castle where the emperor used to live. It's just a place for tourists to visit now, but in the past it was the most important place in the country, and it's over 1,000 years old.
Speaker 4.
It depends. There are a lot of traffic jams in the morning and evening when everybody is going to work or school, but the public transport is very modern and the underground's fast and cheap.